you don't always have to share a Canva, but if you did something amazing, and for instance, my friend Alper, he's doing absolutely amazing work in open source and in the smart building space, smart city space. So they've created a open source platform so that um, not only increasing energy efficiency, but solving a lot of problems there. And he was part of a YouTube video. And in that YouTube video, it showed the panels of all these other leaders. And it's one of those things where it was like, okay, he was being there and it was authentic and he was showing his authenticity because it's like, okay, this is renewed hope for the future. And they were mentioning his open source project. And it's one of those things when I gotta go back. When you mention this, you realize one of the things that they're doing is, well, creating control systems so that maybe potentially commercial buildings will be safer after COVID, and part of his open source projects being applied. And so he had an authentic message and reason why you should watch this. And you're going, this is a good way of expanding this. And how is he making a difference? And you can all, and when you share his profile and when you share his things, he notices it. And also, not only that, he can also remember you and be giving you more referrals. I can go on about this guy, but I'll pull back. What do you think, Matt?
Well, I like the use of the hashtags in this message, and I also like the fact that you marked his name with the big at sign, like the Alper Uzumai Messler. Again, using the hashtags within the context of the article are smart. I see a lot of people they'll write an article, but they won't put the hashtags within the article, and they won't ever uh, let the person that wrote the article, somebody that's they would like to know about the article, get that invitation by using the at sign. So we're going to talk about that more in the next one, I know, but this is excellent. I love the use of the hashtags in this.
Yeah. So, but there is a point where remember LinkedIn is not the same as Pinterest or Instagram.
It's true. I've heard some research saying that you might want to limit to three hashtags because LinkedIn kind of grades it on the number of hashtags. So this is one, two, three, four.
I do six. I usually do between 3 and 6,
Yep,
depending on the post, but I wanted to make sure that people understood
yep,
this because this is not my normal marketing post. So I wanted a broader reach. Yeah.
of course.
Yeah. I would have never thought of applying open source to the smart city space.
It's a brilliant way to do it, though.
It is.